Welcome to Cut Time with Clean Data with Alla Breve Educational Consulting.
Previously, we discussed the considerations for binning continuous variables. Today, we will see a way to do it. I'm using the survey sample data that comes with the product, and we're going to bin the age variable as is typical. In the transform menu, I go down about halfway to visual binning. We select our variable or variables. We could do several at once. When we get to the variable view, we see the distribution. We have to give our new variable a name. I'll call it age bins. It's already labeled it based on what we're doing. In the endpoints, I'm going to change the radio button. You'll see why as I make my cut points. We enter the first one at 20, and let's say we want to make the typical 10-year bins for age. We click in the number of cut points. It will calculate it for us, a nice feature. Click apply, we see the numbers, no big surprise, and it will also make our labels for us. This is very nice. We can click in here and type. Also, visual binning implies that we might drag these around. That messes up things. So to put it back, we'll just retype our 20. And now we'll say okay. It creates one variable. There's only one in the list. Here's documentation of what we actually did. We can take a look by using our chart builder. We'll just do a simple bar chart. Our new variable is always at the bottom. We'll say okay. And now here's the bins we got. It's a nice look. Maybe consider making some changes to this, but that was some good work. We'll see you next time.